What's up, guys? We are back. Let's see. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. We in the vet on our way to the city. You guys already know how it is. You guys peep the sweater, everything's regular. You guys peep the shorts, everything's regular on the shorts. Yes, the whole everything's regular. Get down, man. Go to the site right now and grab yours right now, man. But about to go to the city, get some stuff situated with the bike. Probably hop on the bike. I got my Harley helmet this week, so we should be sliding and gliding. So come roll with your boy. Alrighty, just pulled up to the bike, man. This thing is looking even better than last week. Even better than last week. We took one of the little backrest off, but really want to go cruise early this morning, man. But I gotta find a GoPro for y'all first. And y'all know I had to get the beast wiped down. Whew. That black shine up something crazy, dog. Y'all was asking me what type of ceramic pro I use. Well, ceramic coat rather. Hybrid solution ceramic coat spraying. Ceramic coating spray, there we go. But got this thing shined up, man. About to take the tops off as it's not too hot and it's not too cold. So let's hop in the whip, go downtown and get it going. What's up, guys? Next morning here, gliding and sliding right now. We on our way back to the bike, man. We couldn't get no footage yesterday. I couldn't find a GoPro for a decent price. I'll try again this morning. I'm definitely gonna try to get one this morning, but let's go hop on the bike and go get some decent content, man. All right, so we got the bike pulled out. Got it wiped down a little bit. Took that second backrest off. But I want to show you guys the new merch real quick. Got a couple new styles coming. We have a third one coming. It's not done yet. We have this black, like vintage type shirt. I do have these in a large and medium, and the large fits pretty nice. Pretty decent, really good quality. And then we have another Everything's Regular print right here, just a regular black and white. So if you guys want these are live now on the website. I appreciate you guys. Let's get it going, man. Alrighty, guys, couple days later here, man. I wasn't able to get a lot of footage this weekend. I was just, you know, enjoying my time. But we got the got the Camaro cleaned out. We got the baby seat in the vet. I don't know how that's gonna work. I don't even know if I'm gonna try it or not, but the Camaro is cleaned out. Today should probably be about the last day or two. We have this thing for sure. I just gonna clean it out today. I cleaned it out the inside out last week, but I didn't clean the outside, so I want to get one final wash on this bad boy. And then we're gonna take it to Carmax and see what they offer us. If we get a higher thing than Carvana, hey, we just might take it because I'm ready to get out this thing and move on, man. One thing I am gonna miss is all these features, man. That's one thing the vet does not have. It don't got all these features. Like the Corvette I got is like a 1LT, so it literally came with like nothing. But see, like this one's got the mirror. I wish I had this in the vet because the back window is so tiny and like dark, you can't even, it's no use. You can't even look out the back. So, but I wish I had those lights over there too. The seats in here are a lot more comfortable, but you know, it's just because it's a newer car, and then that is more so for like a race car, I guess. So I guess it is what it is. Alrighty, guys, freshened up, showered up, fresh tee on, everything's regular head to toe. Yes sir, head to toe. If y'all want a shirt or some shorts or anything, some cars smell good, whatever you need, go to everythingsregular.com right now. We just uploaded some stuff on the site. We got the Camaro all cleaned up inside and out, man. So let's head to Carmax and try to get an offer real quick. And just like that, guys, we are here, man. Let's go inside and get this appraisal. Hopefully it's not too crowded. It is Labor Day, so a bunch of people is off, but let's hope we can get in and out of here real quick now, shall we? And guys, when I told you I wasn't playing head to toe, I'm missing a hat, but head to toe, guys. Let's get it in, dog. Alrighty, so we're here getting ready for the appraisal. And guys, I've literally never popped my hood since I bought the car. Like, that's so unlike me, but that's the benefits of having a brand new car. You don't want to do that, and you don't have to. So it looked like it's moving pretty quick, so we should have a price here in a second.
Certainly you can bring the miles up for me, yeah. With your hood and stuff open.
Oh, yeah. There you go.
There we go. I appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem.
5478.
How's your day going today, man?
It's too early to tell.
It's too early to tell.
Yeah. I've only been here since 10. So
oh, okay. Not that bad. You got to...
Not bad yet.
I guess you got a pretty busy start then. You know, maybe the time will fly by.
Yeah, we'll go with that.
Right.
I like where you're thinking.
That's funny, dog. So, yeah, we're going to see what they offer us, man. Seems like we got a pretty good appraiser guy. He's in a pretty good spirit, so hopefully he give us more than what we owe, but I doubt it. What do y'all think they're going to offer me for this, man? Let me know right now in the comments below.
That looks good.
It's pretty fair. These fires out here got everything cloudy and ashed up out here, but pretty good. So now they're just snapping a couple pictures of the car. It actually looks really, really good. Man, I can't believe I'm getting out of this thing. I want to keep it, but it just doesn't make sense to keep it. I can save nearly like $700 a month if I'm getting rid of this thing. That's with like my car note and insurance, because I pay like $548 on this a month, and my insurance is like $160 or something like that on this. The Corvette was actually cheaper than this. I think my full coverage was like $180. Now that I'm thinking about it, my Vet was $150. So we'll see. While we wait for the number, I actually was coming to see on Carmax.com, they had a Grand Cherokee SRT8 here, like a 2015 or 2016, but they don't have it no more, so there's nothing else that I would be interested in. But that was just a thought. Oh my God, guys, we just got the offer, and I can't even believe this right now. I owe like $25,000 on the car, and bro, they just offered me 30 grand for my car. It's out of here. I'm about to get the keys, get everything, and sell this dog right now, man. Guys, you don't even know how excited I am, dog. Like, I literally paid $28,000 for this car initially, like $28,000 for the car in February with 30,000 miles. I drove it 6 months and put 20,000 miles on it, and they gave me $2,000 more than what I paid for it. That's crazy. Carvana was only offering me like $25,000. I would have still had to pay like $500. That's crazy. So I just made 5,000 today, guys. That's wild. Now I ain't even gonna front to y'all. If I would have like brought the Camaro in before I got the Vet, I would have definitely traded it for this one right now. 2014, 32,000 miles. I love the interior on it. However, it's like 45,000. For 45,000, we could have got a whole like Grand Sport. The color on this one is really nice, really clean. It is the base model, just like mine. It's not the Z51 package, but it is a pretty clean little car. The interior is lovely on this thing. Look at that interior. I'm digging it. I love the interior. The color is everything. Oh, and this one came from Quebec. That's like the top Corvette sales dealer in the country. But yeah, this is a nice one. I really love this one. That is it, guys. We sold the Camaro today, $30,000. I bought the Camaro originally for $28,000. So I from the sales price, I gained $2,000. Carvana, they offered me 25. I was gonna take that, but they came through with 30, so I made like 4 or 5 grand today. So that's a plus, man. Let's go home and I guess we can start ordering some parts for the Vet now, man. We gotta, so let's see what we can do. And you see the Vet right here in the background. Woo-wee. Alrighty, man, I have to come to the bank real quick. But dog, look at this fucking C8 right here. Oh my God. Oh my God, y'all see the C7 got the C8. Now this joint right here is killing. See y'all, I'm starting to see a bunch of C8s. Man, that's just probably telling me to get mine. I ain't gonna front, this joint harder than hard. Ooh wee. Look at this joint. Damn, we got the whole little diffuser, everything on this motherfucker. This shit hard. Ooh, y'all see what's going on, man. The C8. Just talked to a new friend there. That thing is fucking badass. Oh my God. Ooh. That thing is badass, dog. That's what I want. I'm gonna keep on to this one until I can maybe like a year or two and try to get that C8, dog. I really want it. So alrighty, guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. We got rid of the Camaro. We only got the Vet left. The truck should be done in a couple days, man. The bike, we're waiting on the rim, but it's pretty much done. We have the wraparound coming for that. We already have the handlebars for it. So all that stuff should be getting installed between this week and next week. When I say next week, I mean by the weekend. So this week we should have some pretty decent content coming up, judging that we get the truck back pretty soon. So we'll see what happens. With that being said, man, I made some money today. We bought the Camaro for like $28,000 initially, and we sold it today for like 30 grand. So we made money on that. Like, it's crazy to me. It's just like, wow. So with that being said, man, we'll hit the auction block and see what's on there and try to find another deal, man. With that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one. If you haven't already, go ahead and head to everythingsregular.com to cop your new merch, man. I'm actually everything's regular head to toe right now, but you know, that's another story. So I appreciate you guys tuning in today. Wasn't enough footage on the bike stuff, but it is what it is, man. We'll get there. I gotta get a haircut and some more stuff, man. So I'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.